Okay, this month's Mysteries in Time. Let's open it up. See where we're going. I took the tape off and opened the side, so it should. I already.
Looks like there's tape on.
Yeah, it should open pretty easy. I cut the tape. Where is it?
Welcome Vikings.
Vikings! Nice! Okay, let's see. History and facts. Ooh, this is a good size one this side. These are fun. This is the study guide.
Yeah, and we get prizes.
Yep. And then we have our book, Viking Adventures.
Okay.
A bookmark. Oh, we need to go put the sticker on the...
Don't we have
Viking ruins. Ooh, this is like the Viking alphabet. That's pretty cool. What's this? Oh, it's like how to make your own Viking ship. Oh, that's cool.
And then I don't know.
Longbow.
Oh, this is a glue stick, and then we got a pen with. Okay.
Let's see. Whoops. I'm gonna drop the box there.
Okay.
Let's see.
Okay.
Oh, nice! Like a Viking boat
This is
pencil.
a glue stick.
That is really awesome. Okay, let's go on the map. Let's see. Wait, where'd the stickers go? The other stickers that have the time. Let's look at that.
Right here. Nope, not one.
There.
How about when we're at the map, me and Eddie will turn away from the map so we don't already know where it is.
This
and
looks
then
like AD 793 to 1066. Pretty cool. I like it. Okay, yeah, let's go figure that out, and then we'll start the projects in the book. Okay, we'll just hold the map
Eddie, turn
here.
away from it. So
No, it's okay. All right, so what was the sticker? 793 to 1066 AD. So right here it says AD goes this way, BC goes that way. So it's going to be on this side. And what is it? 793 to 1066. So where do you think that would go?
Like maybe right here.
Yeah, probably a little closer to the 1000. There you go. That works. Nice. Okay, quiz time. So keep track of how many answers you get right. Okay, so
The quizzes are on the back, I think. That's where they usually are.
did you just memorize the quiz questions?
No.
Oh, okay, just
I
checking.
did not cheat, Mom.
Okay,
I just.
number one. Who's going to start?
I'll do.
Okay, Bella's first. What was the Viking alphabet called?
The Viking alphabet.
A, Thor, B, ruins, or C, Valkyries?
Wait.
Thor, runes, or Valkyries?
I might not get this right. I'm gonna do ruins.
Very good, runes. So 1 right for Bella. Yay! All right, Addie, number 2. What did the word Viking mean in Old Norse? A pirate raid, B, a man with horned helmet, or C, from the north?
Viking. Oh well, a pirate raid.
Yes.
I just remembered it. Okay. I was gonna say a Viking helmet.
Yeah, I was just looking for the answers. Oh, here's the answers. Nice. Okay. It is, what did you say?
A pirate raid.
Good job. Correct. Okay, number 3, Bella. Where did the Vikings believe their soul went to if they died in battle? A, Danelaw, B, Lindisfarne, or C, Valhalla?
C.
Very good. You girls are so smart.
I remembered that. I know it started with a V.
Okay, 2 for Bella, 1 for Addie so far. Okay, Addie. Why did Vikings travel to other countries? A, to raid, to find farmland, and to trade. B, for their holidays. C, to learn a new language. A, very good. I'm just going to double check, but I'm pretty sure that's it. Where is the, oh, yes. Okay. Bella, so 2 for each of you. Bella, why did Viking longships have flat bottoms? A, to make them lighter. B, they were easier to build. Or C, to sail down shallow rivers and land on beaches?
Easy. C.
Very good. Okay, Addie. What was a Viking warrior called? A berserker. B, a madman. C, Eric.
Eric. Eric. That one's hard. Wait, what was A and B again?
A berserker. B, a madman. Or C, Eric.
I know the answer.
Very good. A berserker. I guess that's how you say it. Okay, Bella. What was Danegeld? A Viking god. B, money paid to the Vikings to stop them attacking. C, the part of England given to the Vikings to live in. Danegeld. Oh, I think I know which one that one is.
C?
The part of England given to the Vikings to live in?
No.
What was Danegeld?
Danegeld? Wait, I know what.
What's Danegeld?
Danegeld? Wait, what's A and B?
A is a Viking god. B is money paid to the Vikings to stop them attacking. And C is the part of England given to the Vikings to live in.
A?
A Viking god.
Is it B?
It's B.
Because I didn't think it wasn't C. I definitely
Right.
knew that. It wasn't C.
So think geld, like gold. Geld is gold in another. Okay, Addie. Which day of the week is named after Thor?
Right? Because I just got that right.
No, you don't. That was Bella's question. Okay, so which day of the week is named after Thor? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Thursday. Thursday. Hey, that was funny. Thursday. All right, Bella. The Vikings shared their home with their farm animals. True or false?
Wait, the Vikings what?
Shared their home with their farm animals.
I know where that is. True.
True. Good job.
Yep. So now I have 4.
Addie, which god often turned himself into an animal?
Oh. It started with an L. Come on. I forgot all the 3 gods' names again. Lucky?
Wait, it's Addie's. It's Addie's question.
I forgot all the names of the gods again. There's 3. One of them was Thor, the other
Odin,
Odin,
Thor,
and there's
Loki,
one more.
Helena.
Loki.
Oh, it was Loki. That was with a lot of help, though. You guys aren't supposed to help. This is a test.
She was okay.
Yeah. Okay, Bella. Vikings wore
That's still 4,
helmets.
though.
Vikings, that counts. Vikings wore helmets with horns. True or false?
True. False. It's false. They do not wear
Which one? Which one, Bella? True or false?
Bella's question.
I know which one it is. False.
False. It is false. It says in here, false. Horned helmets are a myth.
I've seen Looney
Okay.
Tunes.
Okay. Addie, what was the Viking parliament called? A, the parliament. B, the thing. C, the place.
The place. The thing. Was it the place?
You're guessing C, the place?
Well, no, you said it like that.
Say it like that. Nice.
You read the workbook.
um.
So you got the parliament, the thing, the place. You can go with your gut instinct,
Okay, see.
which is wrong. It's the thing.
The thing.
The thing. That's kind of funny, huh? That's what they called their parliament. The thing. All right. So, out of 12 questions, you each had 6, and you each got 5 out of 12. That's not bad. Pretty good.
So I got 5 and Bella got 5.
Yep, you each got 5. So
we get 5 prizes.
you
remember,
get 5 prizes.
wait,
5 questions right.
I remember the 3 of the 4 kingdoms of England separated.
Ooh. So
There's-
tell me what all you learned. Oh, tell me the 3 of the 4 kingdoms.
Okay. Bella knows the 4th one of the kingdoms. There's Mercia or Mercia. I don't know which one you pronounce it.
Okay.
There's East Anglia, and then there's also
Just ignore them.
Vedex or something like that.
Okay.
Vedex, I think.
Okay.
It's on
Very
the last
cool.
page.
Oh, it's on the very last.
It's Vedex or something like that.
Very cool. Hang on, I'm going to turn the camera side. Okay, so what are some other things that you learned? So what was something interesting you learned, Bella?
That the ships that had the bottom flat, they had a dragon in the front, and then a tail that goes like. It's to help
Through?
go through shallow.
Okay, why
Like
does it say
rivers.
why a dragon?
Oh, there's a it's
on
a
the
carved
ship,
dragon. I was saying sorry.
What?
It was a carved dragon. I don't know.
I know why. Okay, why?
Because it said it didn't say it's definitely perhaps to draw away
the
evil spirits.
Oh, interesting. Okay, so you're out of the video there. You go too far that way, you're out of the video. Okay, so tell me about the funerals.
So the funerals, Villa can do it.
Okay.
A chief if a chief died, he was put in his ship, and it would be set on fire and sailed to sea.
That's pretty cool. Okay, what's a Valkyrie, Addie?
A Valkyrie?
Valkyrie?
No, I don't know that.
Female spirits who helped Odin. Did you read much about that?
No, not a lot.
You know that one, Bella?
Well, I was saying something else.
Oh, okay. So, go ahead.
So other people, not chiefs, they would die with their sword and anything other important they wanted to go with their afterlife.
Nice. And then they set the boat on fire and pushed it out.
Only for the
chiefs.
Only chiefs.
They put him inside a ship, set it on fire, and sailed out to sea.
I think they just buried regular people who weren't chiefs.
Yeah.
And then King Alfred, he was in Vedex, the kingdom. I forgot what it's called. Vedex, whatever. He was in his kingdom for a while, and then the Vikings were they raided the other 3 kingdoms and were about to raid his kingdom, and he offered them a deal. He said, I will give you a part of the land or something like that, like a part of the land if you leave Vedex alone. But after King Alfred died, his kids broke the peace. Yeah, and they were at war for 150 years.
Are you talking Wessex?
Wessex, yeah.
Okay, yeah. I didn't see a Vedic, so Wessex, that's what you meant.
Wessex, yeah.
Nice. And then when he died, it didn't work, huh? Very cool. Is there anything else that stands out to you?
No. His kids broke the peace.
His own kids. Ugh, darn little kids. What about farming?
Oh, the farming. So they lived in this house. It was a big house, and yes, farm animals would go in it during cold winters. I think it was called something. A longhouse. Longhouse, yeah, that's it.
Okay.
It's called a longhouse.
Wooden houses with large rectangular room. Wow, that's a big house. It's like a barn. So they can say, were you raised in a barn? Yes. Yes, I was.
Were you born yesterday from Ugly Dolls? Yes. Yes, I was.
All right. Anything else that stands out? Is that it? We covered it? Awesome. Did you like this one?
They grew peas. They grew peas. They grew wheat, and it's funny because they saved food for their own. They made hay. They grew hay for their animals. And if they had fish, then it would rather be salted or pickled, and then it would be saved for
for winter and journeys. Nice. They smoked it, dried it, or pickled it.
Or pickled or salted it. Pickled.
Pickled fish. All right. Now you need to read the storybook and then the activity. Cool. All right. Here's the boat craft. So you want to tell us what you did?
So, first we start off with this part.
see this wood right here? There's two pieces. You can flip it around. First, we glued this. We glued right here so it would stay, and there's actually a surface on the top. And then next, we glued the dragon heads together and the tails together. And then I think we glued
this board piece
this
right here.
What is that on the side?
Oh, the side, these are supposed to be shields.
Oh, all of the Viking warrior shields.
And it's there on the other side too.
Probably kind of a way that they can not only store the shield on the side of the boat so it doesn't take room up inside the boat, but it probably kind of protects the boat a little bit too, huh?
Mm-hmm. And then we did the sail, we cut them out, and then we glued them together. So that is the front of the sail,
where the dragon head is. Then after Addie
the
did
back,
that,
we made sure it had a line down the middle.
And the line is the mast. What does the mast do?
It's basically it makes the wind blow that way. So if it blows this way, it won't go backwards because it has to have room to blow the sail.
Yeah,
Nice.
well, Addie was gluing these two parts together. I was gluing this on the top of this piece right here, the wood piece. And then I did it very carefully. Didn't want to push it down too hard because then it might crack and we'll have to do it all over again. So, yeah, I waited for the bottom to dry a little bit, and then I put a whole lot of glue on here, and then I just sticked it on. It was kind of hard because I have to push it down in order for it to stick, and it was hard because this was glued together. I couldn't just stick my finger. It was a little hard to do that, but I did it. And then next we
glued these like strings to it. Without the strings, the sail would fall.
Yeah, it would fall. It would
So
tip.
the strings are just holding it
So
in place
we
so it
glue.
doesn't fall.
We
Nice.
put glue right here and here. And then we also put glue on the two ends of the rope, whatever. And then right here is helping it glue on, stay. And then it took a little bit for us to get these to actually.
The black line, it was so hard to get it to stick.
Yeah.
But you did it.
Yeah.
Did I help you with any of it?
Basically, only the folding with the
Right, I just
base.
helped you fold it, was all, huh?
With the base.
You girls did
I
a
don't
good
even
job.
know why there was cuts in it.
Oh, yeah, I don't know. I had to cut 2 slits onto the bottom. I don't know. Well, cool. Did you like learning about Vikings? And then what did we have for dinner last night as a Viking meal?
Beef stew.
Yeah, nice. All right. Pretty cool. Are you liking my tech or mysteries in time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We like the activities too.
Yep. All right. So now you just have the storybook to read. And we
We've
won't-
already read a couple of chapters. I think we're on chapter 9 or 10.
Okay. Cool. Yeah,
And
we
I
won't
don't
put
know.
that in the video.
I think
but
there's like 15 or 12 chapters.
that usually takes a couple days to read, so we won't worry about that in the video. But you're reading it. All right. And Remy's excited that you're doing it. All right.